Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how I did my Valentine's Day set, and I'm using custom mixed acrylics that I mixed up a while back. I have a pink shimmery acrylic and a clear shimmer acrylic. The glitter that I use to make these is from Organics Nails brand, and I think it's called Snow Glitter or something like that. So on this nail, my idea initially was to create an encapsulated rose design. So I'm still going to show you how I did this, although in the final result I didn't really care for how it looked. It kind of took the dimension away from the roses. So I end up putting the roses on top of the nail as 3D nail art later in the video. But if you enjoy the encapsulated look, you can definitely just skip that part and keep them encapsulated. So I'm going in with this really pretty iridescent glitter from Creative Claws, and this glitter is called Unicorn Dandruff, and it's just very chunky and pretty. And here I am encapsulating the nail. I'm putting down a thin layer of clear before I put my pigmented acrylics, and on this nail I'm just doing a simple glitter ombre. So I'm putting down my clear iridescent acrylic at the tip, and then I will blend my pink iridescent glitter over top and encapsulate with clear. And on my pinky, I'm going to copy the design on my index finger, which is just a full iridescent glitter nail. So this is after file shaping and buffing all the nails, and I'm going to show you guys in detail how I made my roses. I'm just using a silicone mold. You can get these anywhere on Amazon or eBay. I'm going to try to link the one that I bought specifically. I bought these so long ago, so I'm not sure if this listing will still be up. But all I'm doing is taking some white and pink acrylic and just layering this inside the mold. Before it fully sets, I'm going to take it out and place it on my nail with a little bit of clear acrylic to adhere it, and then I'm going to take monomer and press it down flat all the way around so it looks like it's seamless and coming out of the nail. So I'm gonna do that on top of my 2 encapsulated roses to cover them up. And then I will be going in with a little bit of artisan mint green acrylic, and I'll be making just a couple like little leaf looking petal shapes. And yeah, that's how I did my 3D design. The brush that I'm using is from Alpha Brush, and it's their 3D nail art brush. Also, the little heart that was encapsulated in my nail was also made from a 3D nail art mold. So now I'm going in with the star of the show, this beautiful gel polish from Madame Glam called Barbie Bliss. This is probably the most gorgeous gel polish I've ever seen in my life. I'm not exaggerating right now. It is so freaking pretty, and it's so full coverage, you guys. Like, I cannot get enough. It reminds me a lot of Vetro Gold Leaf and Vetro Silver Leaf gel, and I think they have a pink leaf as well. This kind of looks like their pink leaf, but you get an entire bottle instead of just this little teeny tiny pod that Vetro gives. So I can't get enough. I am in love with this gel polish. So I'm putting it on my pinky in a heart shape. The brush that I'm using is Enail Couture's Gel Detailer brush, but any detail brush will work for this. So on the index finger, I'm just doing a negative space heart. And on the thumb, I'm gonna do another French tip. And I'm just using 99% alcohol and a gel brush to clean off the gel from my skin before I cure. So I'm using these really cute pink earrings that I got to make a nail jewelry design. So I'm just taking these apart because the earring had a really rounded back and it was gonna stick up really high on my nail, and I didn't want that. So I took this back piece off and the jewel just popped right out. I really love using earrings now because they're cheaper. I think these earrings were $8, and I know if I tried to buy a Swarovski that looked like this, it would probably be like 20 bucks. So you can save money doing this. I'm using some opal shaped point backs from GearBest to complete my design. I just put this square rectangle shaped one on the back, and I'm using some crystal clear point backs from eBay to go on either side so that on every angle there's a stone somewhere. Then I'm putting this circular opal point back from GearBest in the front, and then coming down I'm going to put an SS10 AB and an SS5 AB using Zulays Bling Adhesive. I really like this design. I think big stones and big jewelry is on trend right now, and it's very like Nails on 7th, Cardi B, or Nail God if you follow the Nail God on Instagram. I think that's her name. Let me make sure. I'm about to look right now. Yes, Nail God Studios. I love Nail God Studios. They do some really gorgeous bling clusters. So that's kind of what I had inspired in my mind. And I'm using SS5 to accent my roses and some SS5s to outline my heart on my negative space nail. So now I'm just going to top coat around my stones. I'm using Madam Glam's No Wipe Top Coat Gel and curing. You don't have to go on top of your stones. I'm gonna go on top of my smaller stones just so I can feel very secure that they're not going to go anywhere and to bring some shine back to them. My smaller stones tend to get covered in resin. And it makes them just a little bit ashy, so because they are so small, losing the cut is not that obvious on SS5s or SS3s, so I just tend to go over them. And around my jewelry, I'm going to top coat any spaces and try to fill all the spaces in with gel so it's all one cohesive unit. And make sure you top coat underneath your iridescent glitter nail. So this is the finished result. These are a little bit shorter than I'm used to, but I absolutely love how they turned out. These are kind of like dream nails for me because I love pink, I love roses. This is like very me. I'm so happy with how they turned out. Let me know what you guys think. I hope everyone has a great Valentine's Day with your loved ones, or just have a good day with yourself. If you're new, please hit the subscribe and the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!